To measure insulation resistance with our Fluke 1587 insulation multimeter, we first notice that the functions that relate to insulation resistance are all in orange. First thing we're going to do is bring in a test specimen. We're going to use a digital multimeter, and we're going to use the fact that its input impedance is 10 megohms as a test specimen. So first we'll connect our special probe that only fits in one way and our low side of that. So we'll connect those across the positive and the negative of the insulation voltage. And then we will rotate our selector knob to the orange insulation test voltages. And at this point, we can select a test voltage by pushing the test voltage button. Every time we push it, we rotate through 50 volts, 100 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, and 1,000. I'm going to use 1,000 volts. And now we're ready to do our test. And I'll press the test button, and you'll see it apply, in this case, 1,052 volts and read 10.0 megohms. Keep in mind that insulation resistance values vary with temperature and humidity. And that's how we measure insulation resistance with our Fluke 1587 multimeter.